Hey there! Here we will take a look at understanding how chemical reactions can be written out. In chemical reactions, reactants are the elements that chemically combine to form products. So we will only have reactants on one side and they yield products. That is how each chemical reaction is going to be formed. Some reactions need energy to occur and are called endothermic. Endothermic, which means that we need to take in the energy. Take in energy, while some reactions are exothermic, which means that they are going to release energy. Exothermic, release energy. For endothermic reactions, since we need to take in energy, that means that energy is going to be part of the reactants. For exothermic, since we need to release energy, it's going to be part of the products. For example, we can have chemical reactions like iron reacting with sulfur. So we take iron and we take sulfur, and that yields iron 2 sulfide plus some energy. It is known that this kind of reaction is going to release energy, and since it releases energy, we can say that it's an exothermic reaction. We can write this in terms of a real chemical equation with symbols for iron plus sulfur, giving us iron 2 sulfide, like that, and you can put in the energy as well. It is good practice to specify the state of the reactants and products, such as in the other equation, we can have energy plus copper to carbonate, and that is going to create carbon dioxide and copper to oxide. So I'm going to try to fit this in. Carbon dioxide, I'll just put it underneath here, plus copper to oxide. And then as a chemical equation, that would be written as the energy on one side plus the copper to carbonate, written like this, and it creates the products being carbon dioxide plus copper to oxide. And you can verify that all these compounds are correct with the ionic and covalent naming and building rules. But the thing with the states is that it's a good practice to write the states of each of the compounds. And it's known that copper to carbonate is solid, the carbon dioxide is a gas, and then copper to oxide is a solid. The states can be a solid, a liquid, a gas, or an aqueous. An aqueous means that it's going to be dissolved in water. It's not a liquid or a solid, it's just that to exist, it needs to be in water.